realistically, over time, the public education system was designed around how do we get people to think the same? How do we get them to be able to sit in their spot and complete their task and then concisely close that and move on and do the next task? And I'm sorry to say that that is not what the world needs any longer. What we actually need now are problem solvers, or lateral thinkers, or people who think outside of the box, as some kid covered in dirt who's looking at the art and the music and the nature and the science and seeing it as one thing because that's what they experienced when they were kids and that's what they felt when they were kids, and there's a connection between those systems. Those connective systems are what's going to save this planet. The job right now of people who are my age, or people who are older, is giving them the opportunity to grow their brains in such a way that they can be good lateral thinkers, problem solvers, and that means sensory engagement, and that means outside, and that means better environments to learn